Will you look at that? Mushrooms coming up across the lawn. Mushrooms can be an indicator of a lot of things. Maybe there was a lot of mulch that was used in the soil in prepping before the lawn went down. Or maybe there is a tree that is struggling, not unlike this tree right here, which undoubtedly has a few rotting roots. And what grows in rotting roots? Well, mushrooms do. So if you see mushrooms, especially attached to the tree or at the very base of the tree, good idea to have a diagnostician come out and look at what's going on with your tree, because it may be suffering and declining.